What are you doing on this Saturday? And I would love to hear from you. So, Savage Scientist, thanks for being here. Okay, Priyanka and Kush, they're asking a follow-up question here. Is programming kind of relevant to data science? Absolutely it is. Absolutely it's relevant. Um, Data science is just theory and methodology. It's the programming that makes that makes the models and the algorithms fly, right? So yeah, you absolutely, it is important. I know that you previously asked the question about the C programming language. Um, so C is not relevant, but other programming languages are definitely relevant. Again, Python, maybe R. That's what I would stick to working with data science, but absolutely still relevant. And also, one of the things that's really relevant that's helped me is knowing how to deploy models. Um, I had that background because I was in DevOps for many years. Knowing how to actually say, okay, this is my final product. How do I get this to users? How do I get this to the end state? That is super critical, and you'll learn that being a programmer, right? Because you can deploy software. Right? Not all software is data science, right? So having that background absolutely is important. Okay, back to our Instagram side.